We are presently located at the Sant Llorenç del Munt i la Serra de l'Obac Massif. Here you are looking a rock, it is a conglomerate, and we will see how we can find some caves inside this kind of rocks. In fact, this is exceptional. Usually the caves are formed in limestone rocks, and we find caves when we have a conglomerate very rich in the limestone pebbles. This is the case. In fact, this limestone is formed by different pebbles of limestone rock. But here in the Sant Llorenç del Munt and la Serra de l'Obac massif, this is exceptional because it is a massif formed by conglomerates that usually are polymictic, formed by pebbles of different kind of rocks. But sometimes, exceptionally, we find some levels, some layers of conglomerate very rich in limestone pebbles. This is the case here, and when we have these, we can find some caves formed by dissolution of this rock very rich in limestone. So this is the case here, like in fact in the Montserrat Massif, where we can find some caves in conglomerate also. We will see the entrance of the cave here. This is the cave, the Mura Cave. The Mura Cave is formed specifically at the level of this layer of conglomerate rich in limestone pebbles, and is in this layer that dissolution drives the formation of this cave. We have seen a pebble in the wall at the entrance of the Mura Cave. This rock here is in fact an speleothem. The speleothems are formed inside the caves by precipitation of calcite, and you can see very well the different calcite crystals and the growth of this speleothem from this part downwards. This is typical of the caves, but in fact here in the Mura Cave there is something exceptional, that is the precipitation of aragonite acicular crystals. This is something that sometimes occur in caves, but here in Catalonia there are not a lot of caves with this kind of aragonite of minerals forming inside.